Hello, today we will learn how to install the JFlap. So first of all, you need to go on the Oracle here, and on the Oracle, uh, just you need to write Oracle, press enter, and then software download, Java downloads. So go on the Java downloads, and then on the Java downloads, you need to go here on the Windows if you have Windows operating system, and then x64 installer if you have 64-bit, and then click here. After clicking here, and the downloading will start. I have already installed it, and once it will be installed, then just you need to double click over this the downloaded file. I have already downloaded it, so in this way it will ask you, so you can say yes, and then it will again ask you, then you will say yes, and it will be start the installation of JDK on your system. So as it is already installed, so I no need, the software has already been installed on your system. Okay, I just say yes, so I want to reinstall it just for your learning purpose, na? So it will going to be reinstalling the JDK. Okay, after that here next, you just need to say next, and it is going to install the JDK on your system. JDK is required for JFlap, and here it is successfully installed. Okay, so here you need to close it, and then come on JFlap. Just in here search, you will write JFlap and press enter, and then scroll down, and JFlap software, come here, and after coming here on JFlap, so the top one, JFlap 7.0 .jar file, you have to click here on jar file. Okay, so it will install, na? So I have already installed it, so I just double click here, or I have downloaded it. So now when you will double click over here, this is the JFlap. Okay, and it instances in front of you. Now when you will click on finite automata, so here you can create a finite automata in the JFlap. So here, as you know, this is the arrow, and this is the state creator. Suppose here you have one state, and this is the, if you want to make it initial state, so what you will do, these are all the states over there, so you have mentioned over this. So you can make arrows from going from one state to another, and you can here click on this, or you can save nothing, like in this way we can create the and we can save the automatas over there. So this is how to install the JFlap. Thank you.